How to make daily quests routine chart Canva template. You'll receive a link to all the routine cards, which you can browse and download the ones that you wish to use. You'll also receive a link to a Canva template. Once you're in Canva, you can upload the routine cards images that you'd like to use. Once you've got your routine cards in Canva, simply drag and drop to the dedicated spaces in the routine chart. Shown here is how you can edit the names and also adjust its position. When you're happy with your routine chart, you can simply download the pages that you'd like to print. The images have been downloaded. Simply go to your download folder and you can print as you wish. Enjoy!